Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 2 to our science experiment about liquids and freezing them and to see which liquids expand more. So to refresh what we talked about yesterday, we have our water, our salt water, our apple juice, and our milk. And as you can see, our milk changed a little bit. So this was left in, it's supposed to be 2 hours, but when I checked back at 2 hours, it was completely frozen. So therefore I left them in all night. So when I came back this morning, they were able to be completely frozen and we can really see it. So I have here the water, the salt water, the apple juice, and the milk. If you take a second, I want you to look at each one of them and think, what changed about them? What is something that changed? And think about the things that we talked about yesterday. How did it smell? What did it look like? What color was it? So what changed with us freezing them? Yeah. So our color of our milk kind of changed a little bit. It's more of like a yellow now. And our apple juice kind of looks more like an orange juice. And our salt water and our water kind of look very similar. Now, a main difference is, if you pick them up, I don't know if you can see, let's see. The bottom of the bottle. This is the regular water, and you can tell it expanded more because the bottom is bulged out. So when it expands, it goes out. When it contracts, it goes in. So water expanded the most. So if you thought the water was going to expand the most, you got it right. Good job. And then I would say it's the salt water, then apple juice, and then milk. And I know it can be kind of hard to see on this video, but if you have it in front of you and you did the experiment, you're able to pick it up and you can tell by the bottom. And then when all the bottoms are flat, so the salt water, the bottom's flat, apple juice and milk, all the bottoms are flat. So you have to hold them up to each other and look to see which expanded the most. So my question for you is, why do you think the water expanded the most? Think about what your hypothesis was and what your prediction was, and I want you to reflect on our results here, and I want you to write in your notebook, I want you to write a paragraph about how your hypothesis went with our conclusion. Was it right? What were you surprised about? So I hope this was fun for you guys to see a little lesson like this. This is on liquids and expanding. So now that we turned our liquids, what did we turn them into, guys? Yes, we turned them into a solid. Solid. So we can turn liquids into solids, and liquids could be gases. Like if I boiled a teapot of water, it will the steam will be our gas. So this is also talking about the change of matter. So I hope this helped you guys, and you guys have a great day.